have a daily SOX, the SOXX Index. We already reported the Philadelphia SOXX Index. And basically, I have called a top up here in this market. We're going into earnings season. Here's the reversal. Here's the long term trend line that goes back to 10-3 of 19. We started to rally up. If you watch the trend line, it will go right to here. And we're sitting on it where this arrow is at the moment. Right across here is going to be a major support level starting out tomorrow. Here is the lower support level. We're going into calendar earnings for 2020. And in the S&P 500, this particular sector is going to have to meet estimates. We do know one thing is that the growth was 2.1% for Q4 in 2019. The problem that we have is that we've had a slowdown and the stocks in this sector are priced to perfection. So basically what we're going to be looking for is over the last 5-year period, earnings estimates for 4.9%. So basically these companies are going to have to live up to very high expectations of the stocks that are in the SOXX Index, your chip stocks, the leadership. And this is why we're watching. Back over here, when this rally started, it led the whole market higher on 12.3. And the low was 223.85 at that time. We've made a top up here right below 257. We've had that reversal. We said that it was overbought. Earnings season starting, we're at very high levels in the stock prices within the SOXX Index. Same thing with the Philadelphia SOXX Index that we reported, which is the leadership in bull market runs. And when you take this diagonal trend line and you come straight right up here to the top, you can see that we have already started that correction and that markets are not on sell. And the stocks that are in this index, when they do report, if they miss the earnings, which they probably some are going to, and they're going to talk about what it looks like, is there's going to be a potential big drop in certain individual stocks within the sector. And you don't need to be a victim to it. You should join our free 5-day trial, Change Your Life. You should go through the earnings season. It starts now. We will be posting every live earnings report and every live trade that we're in. We have done that on YouTube channel for the last 11 years this year. 11 years. So we have 11,100 followers. They're there for a reason. And we have traders. We develop traders. We develop option traders. So this is where using the options market is to our advantage. Make it clear that when you are in a very overbought situation in the equities that have moved in this bull market rally going into the earnings season, now when the individual stocks report in the sector, the key is one thing. It's following those reports, which we will do, and we bring it live. That is what we do. We get into the positions, if the positions are going to be bad, and our analysts that work for us privately from Goldman Sachs, they're really good at what they do in that respect. So we have that to look forward to as we have for all these years when it comes to the earnings season. We're at high valuations right now. So we're giving this alert to our people worldwide that are traders in the U.S. in capital markets. And what I'm saying is that the option trading, the sector index makes a lot of money. When they are going to pull back from overbought levels, you can profit. And that's what it's about. So let us change the way you do things versus what we do. And you're watching the video because things haven't worked out for you. And other option trading programs, retail, they're worthless. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. So, option traders, options trading the sector and the individual stocks during the earnings season is going to be the key to success. I'm calling an overbought, and I called it right up here at the very top. Yes, I did. And there is the reversal. This bull market run has been extremely strong. However, the way that bull markets work is you got to shake out the buyers, and the volatility is going to return in a big way. So we're taking the time to let you know. Volatility in year 2020 will start, and it's starting now, and it will increase. 2020 volatility returns will shake out traders that did not take profits at the highs. Going into the earnings season, there's going to be some big misses and there's going to be some good surprises. And by managing the risk is the key in this sector and the individual leadership stocks that we trade during the earnings season, January 2020. Good luck to you.